and all the inhabitants of the world, and all that people surely dwell therein. Almighty God, I pray from the God of Israel, the God of Jacob, last plane in Ethiopia, and fall and drop, and all the people dead, all the passenger. We ask the God to see a position while the King Selassie and the Lord of the we are shield and a buckler should stand for it. Tell the man from us should come for reproach and stand on the street and see for it. Blessed is the man who walk not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor stand in the ways of sinners, or sit in the seat of the scornful. That I and I delight for be the laws, the commandments, the statutes, the decrees, the testimony of the King Selassie and the first. And I the King Selassie and the first laws, commandments, statutes, and decrees. I and I will meditate day and night and every second, every minute. I and I the pilot and all who on this plane shall be like the tree that plant among the rivers of the swamp. Shall yield forth the fruit in its season. Who leave does not with on whatsoever I do, but of will never surely prosper. Not so with the ungodly, no, there shall never be. There shall be like the jar that prison and rose and a court drive at a will. Therefore the ungodly shall never stand in I judgment of display and I assembly of the righteous. Call on this plane, put on just and pray to the Almighty God of Rome, the God of Christ and the God of Jacob. While the King Selassie and the first will have covered the way of the righteous. But we have the ungodly and evil and wicked and cruel man, most and will never show the praise. So bless all the people that walk away from we in Jamaica, and all the pilot, all who play on the plane. Give the plane wheel out the door. Put everything in the place while the King Selassie and the first, the God of Rome, the God of Christ and the God of Jacob. In spirit, God is there in truth. Ja!